Hi, I'm Farah, and today I'm gonna read you Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hic by James Dean. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hic! 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 Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. I don't know about that. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic. Grumpy Toad doesn't look so happy or grumpy. He looks like I don't know. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic! Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot and hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song, and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hic, hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, Mom says. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Asks Pete. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits. He waits. And he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. And there's all kinds of different books. There's all kinds of different books, like Cat and the Tooth Lost, the Lost Tooth, and the Tip Top Tree House. And if you have a Pete the Cat book, you can look on the back when you finished, and at the last page you'll see something like this, and it has all the other books. Bye! See you another time. Please give me a thumbs up on Farah's Cook. Please subscribe. Bye!